Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open the SIM card slot or the SIM tray on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. In order to do that, we will need to use the pin that is included inside the box of this device. I have my own one over here, and then on the left side here we have the SIM tray with a hole, and we need to put the pin inside that hole on the SIM tray. So let me quickly do that. There we go. Once you are in, you want to push it just a little bit until the SIM tray comes out just a bit, and then you need to use your fingers in order to take it out completely. So this is how it looks like. Let me place down the device. Over here we have one side and of course the other for the SIM card. If after a while you don't know which side is the top, then you can read it. Let me actually try to show you. I'm not sure if the camera can focus. Over here we can read top. It is located on the right side over here, and here if it says top, then it means that this is the way in which we should put the SIM tray back in. However, in order to insert the SIM card, then you need to reverse the SIM tray. So this is the side which we should use, and then we need to put it on this side like, wait, let me actually double check. There we go. So we need to put it like so over here. So you should match this edge over here, and that's pretty much it. So then when you put the SIM tray back, you need to do this on this side. So let's place it back. There we go, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.